Hi Brightly, how are you? I wanted to do a quick video on link insertions because we've been getting more of those requests. So I'm going to start with Imaba 2 that she has, so that way I'll be able to show you both a no follow link and the traditional do follow link. So what you'll get is something that looks like this, where the client will ask you to insert a link inside either a sentence that's already in the article, or they'll give you a new sentence that you can copy and paste in the article. And that's what Imala did here. So you'll see here, add anchor sentence after this, and she points out where it should go. And then the sentence modified to fit the anchor. This will be the new thing that she wants you to add, and it has the link already inside of it. So I'm already logged into the website because you know how to do that. You've been posting for a while. So already here, and I've already also gotten into the post that needs to be edited. Again, because you already know how to do that because you've done some link insertions in the past. So I'm going to start with this one. Let's see, a starter guide on workers' compensation. So if you go back, this is number 1 on the list. It's no follow, and she wants you to add, or us, I guess, to add this sentence modified to fit the anchor after there are different reasons why an employee might claim workers' compensation. So I would just click Control F on my browser. That gets to the find box, and here is where the sentence is that she wants us to modify or insert something after. So I simply go in and say, okay, this is it, copy it, and paste it. Now, as you see, it ended up making an extra space. Don't need that. So just simply back it up. And then you'll also notice she added this phrase that was already in the blog post. So I'll just go and delete the double phrasing. Now, because this is a no follow link that she wants, there's one more step that has to be done. And that's go to these 3 little dots and edit the code. So edit as HTML. And here you'll see an A, and that just means it's a link, and REL. Now, you may or may not see REL in the code. If you do, that's great, and you would just add the phrase no follow, and that's it. If it's not here, then you would have to add REL equals, and then the double quotes, and then the word no follow. And then that would be it. If you run into one that doesn't already have it and you have questions, let me know. So go back to the 3 dots, go back to edit visually, and that's it for a no follow link. So now for the do follow link, it's pretty much the same thing. I already have the article up here, and so it's here are some of the most important areas. Oh, and I'd already looked it up, so it's pre-populated up here. Here are some of the most important areas, and it looks like from the email, she wants it to go after the ignore the legalities line. So same thing, I will copy and paste. And actually looking here, it looks like she repeated this line. We don't need to copy that then. Copy it and insert it in between the here are some of sentence and the ignore the legality sentence. Paste. It didn't give us that annoying extra space, I don't think. Okay. And the link is already here inside of the sentence that Imala provided. So you don't have to go and copy this link right here because it's already anchored to the phrase they want this website. So update the article. I already updated that one. And then because do follow is the way that the links come normally. So if someone says, I want a do follow link, then there's nothing extra for you to do. It's only if someone says they want a no follow link that you have to go through the first step that I shared in the first article over here. So that is pretty much it for link insertions. They definitely go faster than traditional blog posts because the article's already written, the photos are already inserted, the Yoast SEO information is already done. They usually want you to copy and paste something specific. Now, there are times when someone will just send you a phrase and say, for instance, consultation. I want you to put something or put this link we give you onto the word consultation. If that's true, you would just go find the word in the blog post where it makes sense. And I usually look for somewhere where it's not a ton of links already in the paragraph. And you click this little link button. You type the whole URL in. I usually also click the three dots and say open in a new tab. And then I'll just put something for now. And okay, now the link is there and it's fine. Now, because this was an example, I'm going to unlink it, but that's pretty much it. The only other link insertion order you may come in contact with is one where they ask you to link to a phrase that's currently not in the article. And for that, you have one of two options. You can either send it back and say, thank you, that word is currently not there. Can you also provide a sentence that I'll insert? And then it'll be similar to what Amala sent that we went over earlier. Or you can just create a sentence that would have the word in it that you think fits within the post and post it and call it a day. So that's about it. When I get a new blog post, I will, if you haven't done it first, then I will go ahead and do a video on how to do a completely new post. Please let me know if this is helpful, if you have any more questions, and as always, I'm here, happy to help. And thank you for all of your help. It's been amazing. Like, really, you've been awesome. So thank you so much.